Hey everyone, this is Darren from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live. This is our afternoon Asian time update, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening from Vietnam to all my brothers and sisters in the world, everybody out there in YouTube land. Yeah, this is just an update of the week's events. So I would just want to kind of briefly go over all the crypto news, all the news that's affected crypto in the weekend, just kind of summarize for what's going on, guys. And things are looking pretty good. The market's looking pretty good. Everything's looking uppity, up. So it's a good time to be alive. And, you know, we've got October in the house, looking really good, guys. So hopefully you guys are getting ready and hopefully having a relaxing weekend that's just about to start here. It's Saturday afternoon, just starting here in Vietnam. The sun is pretty good. I got the waves hitting the beach behind me, so everything's looking pretty good. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes only, and it's a really good time to be alive, guys. And things are looking pretty good overall. The markets are up. You know, yesterday we saw that Bitcoin had a huge spike of up 10%, guys. So, you know, we've all been waiting a very long time for that to happen, and it finally happened. So that's really good news. So let's jump into the content right now, and I just want to say God bless all of you. Thank you for being part of this channel. Without you, this channel wouldn't be possible, and thank you for showing up all the time and just being here and showing your support, and God bless you all. So let's jump into the content, and let's do it right now. And before we do it, don't forget to show a little bit more love for the OG. Don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe right now. Subscribe, BYB, and remember, call to action. Take this video, paste it in your Twitter, and get the message out there. Help the OG get the message out there. Look for live crypto love in the house, guys. So let's just go through the news, and some big news that's coming out right now, in case you guys haven't heard it. El Salvador has just started mining Bitcoin using the energy from volcanoes. So this is really good. This is like really good green energy. So El Salvador has mined 0.0059179 Bitcoin, about $270. So this is really good. This is harnessed from volcanoes. So this is complete green energy. So this is a really great trend, and it just goes to show that you know, Bitcoin can be mined using 100% renewable green energy. So hats off to El Salvadorian government and everything that they're doing to show that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency can go green. Not only in terms of green energy, but also we need to go green in terms of price going up, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. So let's just review the news that's going on right now. So we can see the good news for Bitcoin in autumn. We can see that, you know, the total summary for the whole week. So Monday we had JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon saying that Bitcoin could go up to 10x, but that he doesn't care. And on the same day, we had their competitor, Morgan Stanley, in the house, revealed that they had more than doubled their investment in Grayscale, the Bitcoin Trust, to 58,000 shares. So this is really bullish news. You know, Jamie Dimon, he's often been a big Debbie Downer when it comes to crypto, but you know, he's kind of a little bit wishy-washy. Sometimes he loves it, sometimes he doesn't, right? Some other news that we had is we all heard about the whole Twitter Bitcoin started. Twitter, you could start tipping with Bitcoin in partnership with Strike. So this is really monumental. It really didn't have much of an impact on the markets. Actually, you know, we're expecting a big, huge, you know, going up, big green candle on Monday, but nothing really happened. It's kind of a nothing burger. But you know, keep in mind that this whole Twitter Strike tipping a feature right now, it's only limited to the continental USA, and every other country it's not available. So just remember, do your own research, do your own risk management. Remember, don't believe everything you read in the news, because sometimes, you know, they kind of fluff everything up. So a lot of people are thinking, oh, this is a worldwide rollout. No, it's not a worldwide rollout. It's only being tested in the US right now. So just keep that in mind whenever you read it in the news. Also, ending Monday off on a high note, El Salvador revealed that over 2.25 million citizens now are using the Shivo wallet. So that's really good. I mean, that's a huge pickup. That's a huge pickup, guys. So you guys should be really excited about that. Also on Tuesday, the world's largest provider of Bitcoin payments, BitPay, announced partnership with Verifone to allow their merchants to accept Bitcoin payments. So this is really huge. So, you know, I believe that Verifone, they have almost 600,000 merchants, you know, in the US. So with this tie-up with BitPay, it means that anyone can use any cryptocurrency to purchase things wherever Verifone is accepted. So this is really great news, really bullish news. So this is actually a big mind-blowing piece of news, guys. Also on Wednesday, Elon Musk had an interview with Kara Swisher, and he was asked, you know, what about crypto regulations? What do you think about crypto regulations? And Elon Musk replied by saying, you know, we should do absolutely nothing. U.S. government should absolutely do nothing with regarding Bitcoin regulation and the overall crypto market. And also, we saw that Kathy Wood, ARK Investment, also revealed that they had purchased $42 million in Coinbase shares on Tuesday. So that's really interesting news. Some other news on Wednesday, we saw that Umbrella unveiled their first plug-and-play Bitcoin node, a big step to bringing users sovereignty. So this is like a Bitcoin node that's based on the Raspberry Pi. It's just plug and pay, plug and play. It's around about 469 bucks, and all you do is just plug it in. Now you have your own Bitcoin. And also we saw that still, even though China with a big crackdown, there's still 145 Bitcoin nodes still running in China. So also we saw that Cool Valley, Missouri Mayor Jason Stewart revealed plans to give each householder $1,000 in Bitcoin. So that's really amazing, guys. That if you're in that city, you're going to get $1,000 in Bitcoin. Who wouldn't want $1,000 in Bitcoin? On Thursday, September, we saw, as September was drawing to a close, El Salvador's president announced that anybody that was using a Chivo Bitcoin wallet would receive a 20-cent discount on fuel. And that was his way of really driving more adoption for the Chivo wallet. Also, on Thursday, we can see the federal chairman, Jerome Powell, officially stated that the U.S. government would not ban crypto nor any other cryptocurrencies. So that was really interesting news. And then on Friday, we saw that the El Salvadoran government started using geothermal volcano power to mine Bitcoin. So that was really good news. So the total verdict, as September drew to a close this week, is interesting to note that Plan B stock to flow. And I talked about Plan B. He nailed it exactly right. We saw August hit 47,000, and September we saw $43,000 coming in. And he's saying that as we could see $63,000 coming in October. I'm pretty bullish about that, and I think that 98 is definitely on the cards, and 135 at the end of the year. I'm still pretty bullish. What do you guys think? Send me a comment. Remember, smash up the likes and subscribe, guys. And just want to say I love you guys to death. And some other news that's coming in right now. We can see that altcoins take the next leg up after Bitcoin price holds 47.5. So yesterday we had the whole 10% increase in Bitcoin across the board, and that took some coins. Some coins were seeing 20% double-digit movements yesterday, so that was really good. And some of those coins that went up 20%, we saw Oasis Network, Axie Infinity, Icon. We also saw VeChain going up over 19%. I'm holding that. We also Elron, and Near Protocol. These coins are absolutely moon, guys. And we saw a lot of other altcoins that move 5, 7, 8%. So things are looking pretty bullish overall, guys. So I wouldn't panic too much. Things are looking pretty good. So let's take a look at the market cap in the house right now. So let's take a look. The market cap right now is trading at, we're at 2.11 trillion, and we formed this beautiful W pattern here with our neckline right here at around 2 trillion. So I think we got a lot of support around about 2 trillion. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap is at 2.11 trillion. It is down just slightly. It's down ever so slightly, guys. Let me just get this out of the way here for you. So it's down ever so slightly, and it's trading at, it's just down almost 1%, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it. We're seeing lighter volumes over the weekend, so that's pretty natural, pretty cool. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin in the house. So Dogecoin is trading at 21.96, so it's almost at 22 cents. And we got some a little bit of resistance at 22 cents here. So I turned that green earlier this morning, so I'm going to turn it back to red. So hopefully we should be getting past that very shortly. I'm pretty confident that we will. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. I'd appreciate that, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment. It really helps push out the channel and gets more people to watch these videos, guys. So if we look at the on-chain data for Dogecoin right now, you can see that Dogecoin right now is at 22 cents, and it's at 3.44%. And 64% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money, and 33% are out. But the important thing is we see the correlation between Bitcoin and Dogecoin is much higher than where it was before. I mean, the lowest it was in September was around about 0.48. So that's pretty good news overall. But I think that hopefully by Monday we could see 23 cents coming in for Dogecoin. I'm pretty sure that that's going to happen. I mean, we have a little bit of resistance here at 22 cents. We're going to get past there. Do not worry about it. And I drew this descending triangle, and this was a point of breakout. And we could see ourselves going up almost as high as 23 cents. Then our next big resistance stop is at 25 cents right here. So let's just keep an eye on things. Things are looking pretty bullish right now. We can maybe expect a little bit of lighter volume coming in to the weekend, because right now in the U.S. it's pretty late. It's almost like 10, 11 o'clock in some parts of the U.S. Asia is just going to be winding down for its lunch soon. So overall, it's looking pretty good. If you look at the social sentiment right now for Dogecoin, you can see that right now the number of mentions on social media is going up, so this is really good. This is the number of mentions on social media. Also, we're seeing the number of mentions on social media here, and this in this chart is also going up. So we're seeing that, you know, a lot more positive stuff is coming out for Doge and for social sentiment. And when people are tweeting about Doge and people are taking note of Doge, this will often send Dogecoin higher and higher and higher. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index in the house right now. So let me just give this a quick minty refresh. So we're seeing right now we're at neutral. So, you know, we've gone up. You know, we were at 28, 27 yesterday, and so things are looking pretty good. So this is probably the last opportunity that you guys can buy any cryptocurrency or other altcoins at this low price, guys. So guys, this is a good time to be alive. Do not panic. Remember, this is not financial advice, and please smash the likes and comment and subscribe. As always, guys, it's a great time to be alive. So let's jump into the Bitcoin price on the weekly. This is the Bitcoin on the weekly Bitstamp, and we're seeing that you know, this is really bullish news right now. We're seeing a huge green candle, and right now Bitcoin is trading at 47,721. So hopefully we can get back up to 48,000. And today we painted a high of 48,500, and you know, right now we're trading, as I said, we're at 47,721. So this is pretty bullish news, guys. It's really good news, and we're above our 21-day EMA, which is fantastic news. I'm loving it. You're loving it. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin on a 4-hour chart, and you can see here that Bitcoin is looking very, very good. Everything indicates that we're going to be going up to the upside. I drew this huge descending triangle. This is a W pattern that formed. We had the neckline. We broke out from the neckline, and then I drew, this is my target. My target is $50,000, and I think we can be seeing $50,000 coming in very shortly, maybe even by this weekend. You know, sure, there's been a bit of a 1% drawdown on the 4-hour, and I really believe that's because people have been taking profits. You know, sure, people are definitely going to be taking profit. When you see Bitcoin going up 10%, I absolutely think that people have been taking profits, not only on Bitcoin but Ethereum. So you're going to see a lot of profit taking over this weekend. But don't worry, remember, this is October. It's happening right in front of our eyes, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum in the house right now is trading at 3,283. And once again, you know, we had this W pattern. We had this huge neckline here. We broke above it. We're breaking out, guys. And, you know, I don't want to say it's going parabolic, but it's looking pretty good, guys. So we have this, you know, we have this upward channel that's forming right here. So, you know, we got this upward channel from right here, and it's going up in this direction. And I think it's looking pretty good for this channel here. And we can draw the other side of this channel, and it's looking overly very good. And, you know, if we break out of this channel, if we're going to absolutely take a moonshot, if we stay in this channel, it's also okay, because we're looking like it's going to go up to our next resistance level at 3,450, and that could happen pretty shortly, guys. So hopefully you're pretty bullish on that. It's a great time to be alive. Let's jump into Cardano in the house. Right now, Cardano is trading at $2.21. And as I talked about earlier, we formed this really nice W pattern on the 4-hour chart, and we broke out. And this is what, you know, W patterns are pretty often bullish, and they often break to the upside. So it looks like we also formed this huge descending triangle as well that went all the way back to 25th of September. So, you know, I predict that, you know, the breakout for Cardano, we could be following in this pattern and heading up to $2.58 pretty shortly. So I think that there's a breakout pretty imminent. A huge breakout for Cardano should be coming in pretty soon, and I think that's going to come sooner than later. Maybe on Monday we might be able to see that. And also, if you look at Solana in the house, Solana is also looking pretty good. We're kind of range bound right now between, you know, I would say we're pretty much range bound right now a little bit, but we have had a really good breakout. We broke out of this descending triangle. We kind of formed another W pattern here, and this is pretty similar to the whole market. A W pattern here, we broke to the upside, and you know, we had some resistance here at $155, and we broke past that, and now we're trading at $159 right now. So our next resistance target, as you can see here, is $203. So I think we're going to get up there. I think our next stop will probably be we should be seeing a stop, I would say, anywhere between, you know, about the $180 level. So I'm just going to draw a horizontal line. So I think we're going to see a next resistance stop at about $180 in the house. So it's pretty good weekend, guys. Now I'm looking at Avalanche right now, and I drew this channel line here. It looks like we could actually see Avalanche going down to this channel line, and maybe going down as to 62 cents here before we see any kind of breakout to the upside. So right now, Avalanche is trading at $67, and it's not looking good for Avalanche right now. So, you know, is this time to sell? No, I think this is just going to be a little bit of consolidation. A lot of people have been taking their profits, and I think that, you know, we probably may follow along this descending triangle, and this may take us all the way to like this area, to like the first week, and then we could see Avalanche breaking out to the upside again. That also depends on the momentum of Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the markets in the house. Right now, we're seeing the total market cap is 2.14 trillion, and the volume is at 91.95. So that's okay. But Bitcoin dominance is too high for my liking. Let's take a look at the currencies in the house. Right now, we got Bitcoin is at 47,728, and that's up almost 10%. So that's looking pretty good. We're up 12.36% for the week, and Ethereum is also looking pretty bullish. I mean, everything is looking pretty bullish overall. We're up 13% in 7 days, and that's at $3,287 right now, and that's at 9.68% to the upside, guys. So that's good. That's good. And ADA is at up 5.61%, and that's at $2.22. I think we could start testing $2.50 coming in the next couple of days. And BNB is up 17% in the last 7 days, and it, you know, a huge amount of that pump has come from the last 24 hours for sure. And BNB is at $416, and that's at, and then we're up 8.43%. Solana is up 14%. And that's at $159. So Solana is coming back really strong. So Dragon, I know you love Solana. I love Solana. I'm holding a ton of it. So I'm pretty happy that we're pumping up, guys. And it's up 14%. DOT is up 12.47%. So we're seeing some altcoins double-digit gains today. And it's the weekend here in Asia, and it's late night Friday in America, and it's Saturday in the Middle East, and also Europe as well. So it's looking pretty good. And Polkadot's at $32.25. And my Doge in the house right now is up 8%. And it's at 21.85, and it's just, you know, it was at 22 cents a couple hours ago, but I wouldn't worry about it. Luna's coming back. It was actually negative about 2 hours ago. Avalanche is, you know, it's still positive, but it's not really making the big gains that the rest of the alts are doing. So I could see Avalanche turning red pretty soon. So that's looking pretty good in the house. So let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house right now. Let's get it. So looking at the OG portfolio in the house, remember this portfolio is not financial advice, it's only education and entertainment purposes. We can see that the OG portfolio in the house is doing pretty good. We're up 48.85%, almost 49% in profit. And the total profit right now for this portfolio is $2,466. We made this online together July 2nd, and we're looking at a total balance of $7,466.37. So even despite, you know, September was Debbie Downer, and we got the October in the house, we're looking pretty good. We're still showing, you know, 50% gains in like 60 days. So it's okay. It's not too bad, guys. Not too shabby. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow. We have exactly 2,434 followers on Twitter. I'd appreciate it if you go and follow me on Twitter. That way you can get all there. I'm posting news, tips, tricks, and you know, the whole community is just building up out there, and it's really good, guys. You get the latest news on here. Also, if you miss, you also get notified when new videos are coming out. So you definitely want to follow me on Twitter. And guys and gals, just want to say God bless each and every one. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of this community. Without you, this would not be possible. Please smash the likes, subscribe me as always, and check out my video links. Every single video I've got links in my description. Remember, this is not financial advice. Guys and gals, become Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. Absolutely go down the description and buy the channel a coffee. Remember, all the coffees, all the patrons, and all the channel, become a channel member. You know, go to the About section, go to the main YouTube page, and become a member, guys. You're going to love it. All of this goes to charity. It goes to charity. And please check out the Zen Music. You're going to love Zen Music. I love it. It's a wife channel. You know, if you need to relax, chill, find your soul, this is the place to do it. Guys and gals, please smash up the likes and subscribe to this channel right now. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out my merch. All of the proceeds from the merchandise also goes to charity. Check out the hoodies. Check out the hats. I love the hats. The hats are a pretty big, pretty fast-selling item. You guys want to check out the hats. And check out the polo shirts. I also like the polo shirts. And don't forget to get the non-clothing item. Get the mug. Get the backpackety backpack. And guys and gals, check the pillow, guys. And guys, you know, thank you for being here again. I keep saying that. I really mean that. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate all of you out there. Thank you for the support over the last 24 hours. And I just want to say, God bless all of you. Go with God. Be with God. Spread the good vibe. This is the Ric Flair, the crypto love, the ice baby of crypto in the house saying, I love you guys. I'll see you next one. Woo!